between the state and the federal government.
The State Highway Patrol will now have some of the same authority as ICE. As the News 4i team's Jordan Elder explains, this is leading to new fears about racial profiling on the roads.
When a Texas driver gets pulled over, it typically ends in either a ticket or a warning, but soon it could end in an immigration check. Nearly 60% of Texas counties have signed up for a federal partnership that allows deputies to enforce immigration law, and this is a sharp increase from when we showed you just a few months ago. Roughly 3,500 Texas State Highway Patrolmen will soon have the power to enforce federal immigration laws. It's part of a new agreement with ICE, giving the Highway Patrol and DPS investigators many of the same powers as federal agents. But could it lead to civil rights issues?
So that means someone who's pulled over for speeding, or maybe even because they have toll bills on their account, they could get pulled over and racially profiled.
DPS declined an interview, but confirmed to the I-Team that troopers across the state will be participating.
The fact that they're now signing a 287G for certain parts of their agency is just a formalization of what they've already been doing in practice for months now.
A new state law will require most counties to sign one of these agreements by January. So far, about 150 counties have already complied, including Bexar. But Sheriff Salazar says their program will look very different from DPS's.
So if you see a patrol car driving by, says Bexar County Sheriff on the side of it, rest assured that deputy is not there to enforce immigration laws. That deputy is there to help.
Sheriff Javier Salazar says his approach keeps the county compliant without extra cost to taxpayers.
That deputy will not be tasked with asking any information from anybody regarding where they were born or what their immigration status is.
One deputy will receive online training to help ICE serve warrants at the jail, a way to avoid significant overtime, something the sheriff's office was already battling before this program. Salazar hopes defining the partnership early will reduce fear in the community and protect the county if any of the requirements change.
A law like Senate Bill 8 puts counties in a really difficult position.
Meanwhile, groups like the Texas Civil Rights Project say expanding the program will drain time and money from true public safety. DPS says this is just one part of a larger federal partnership, including strike teams that already work alongside ICE and Homeland Security. By next December, nearly every Texas county will need to have this program implemented because of the state law. If you're interested in seeing what model your county signed up for, this map is on our website for you right now. For the News 4i team, I'm Jordan Elder.